Do you know how to get the most out of your recycling centre visit? First things first, you need to book a slot to visit the recycling centre at a time convenient to you. To make your time on site more efficient, we'd suggest sorting your waste before you arrive. Did you know wooden furniture, scrap wood and scrap metal can all be recycled? Once you arrive on site, you'll be checked in at the entrance by a member of staff. The site staff will be able to point you in the right direction to help you recycle your items in the correct containers. Recycling centres in Essex can accept a wide range of materials, from clothes and shoes to books, bikes, paint and electrical items. When things like unwanted electricals are recycled, they can be turned into children's toys or even life-saving medical equipment. Some recycling centres in Essex even have donation points so that unwanted items can be reused instead of thrown away. To find out more about your local recycling centre, visit loveessex.org/using-our-recycling-centres. By recycling your unwanted stuff, you're helping to protect the planet and reduce the amount of waste being thrown away. Together, we can make a difference.